We are pleased to show you the 2022 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth, side airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, driver airbag, passenger airbag, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.